Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to unlock borrow feature on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open Cash App. Now after that, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Let me tell you that you have to verify your identity or you have to verify your phone number or email address. So after doing this, just simply have to tap on sport. And now also let me tell you that you have use Cash App more frequently. Now after doing this, tap on something else. Now tap on Cash Card. Now tap on Contact Sport. Now tap on Not About Transaction. Tell them that you are using Cash App frequently, and also tell them that you have active Cash Card. Okay guys, if you don't have active Cash Card, then you won't be able to get borrow from Cash App. Okay guys, so you have to fill all of the conditions to get borrow. Okay guys, the condition is that you have to use Cash App more frequently or you have active Cash Card, and hopefully you can get a borrow feature on Cash App to getting support of Cash App. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.